Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo setting, and today video title is guys how to set ringtone in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to use iqoo mobile ringtone settings. So friends, now let's see how to use ringtone setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, in your iqoo mobile you want to use sound vibration setting, ringtone setting. So friends, now let's see how to use ringtone setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here, open your phone sound and vibration setting. After turn on by phone sound and vibration setting friends, you can adjust your device volume. Then friends, scroll down here, vibrate for call setting, vibrate for incoming call setting you want to use, so you can on and you can use. Vibrate for notification you want to on, so you can on and you can use vibrate for notification setting. Friends, click here ringtone setting. Which ringtone do you like? Friends, you can select your ringtone and you can set ringtone in your iqoo mobile. Example friends, I will select here set out ringtone. So when there are many ringtone, which ringtone do you like? You can select your ringtone and you can use it. So friends, I will select here limpid drop ringtone. So friends, ringtone will set in my iqoo mobile. And you want to use ringtone volume, so you can increase your ringtone volume and you can use. And you want to decrease left side, you can decrease, and right side you can increase. And friends, if you click here notification ringtone sound, friends, you want to use in your iqoo mobile, you want to use notification ringtone sound. So friends, scroll down here, click on notification ringtone, select your notification ringtone sound and you can use it. So friends, I will set here bird. So friends, you want to use your bird notification ringtone sound, so you can use. So like that friends, we can use notification ringtone sound. And again, you want to mute your notification ringtone sound, click here mute, your notification ringtone sound will mute. And if you click here, so friends, you can select your alarm ringtone sound and you can use it. And you can increase and you can decrease alarm volume. So like that friends, you can use sound and vibration setting in iqoo mobile. And you want to change your phone ringtone, so you can select your new ringtone sound and you can change. Your ringtone sound will change. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.